Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company Customer.io. They are working in the email solutions field for different businesses. They are hiring a deliverability specialist to work remote. Now, we'll get all into it, but it does say that you can work whenever, so such a flexible schedule. You can set your own schedule, and wherever, so it seems like they hire worldwide that you want to. Just know if you're interested in applying, the link to this page to put your application in is always in the YouTube description box below this video. You may have to hit the little more symbol to open up the box to see all of the description to get to the link. But their deliverability specialist is like technical support. Some of the things they're looking for you to do is to actually do some technical support. You'll answer frontline deliverability related support requests and act as a resource for their technical support engineer team. You'll help conduct in-depth investigations, reviews, and audits into email sending practices. You'll help customers with dedicated IP setup and monitor warning progress. You'll complete outreach, so you'll identify senders of emails who are not compliant with their anti-spam policy and work with the customers to correct those issues. You'll assist customers with setting up block lists, spam traps, different issues with individual ISPs, and of course you'll have to stay up to date on the industry trends and legal requirements because they are running a email sending delivery service. Good news is they're not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody who's worked in a company doing technical support or deliverability support before, or another customer-facing role. So some kind of customer support experience, but technical support is better. If you have a background in software as a solution or have worked for email sending providers in the past, that's a plus for you and will get you to the top of the line. Of course, they're also looking for somebody who has experienced communicating with marketers in a technical capacity. If this sounds like something you're interested in, they are paying $75,000 a year. They offer paid time off, medical, dental, vision, 401k, all of the standard benefits, but they're also going to give you up to $2,000 home office stipend to get your office set up. So if you don't have computer equipment or good computer equipment, you can use that money to buy you updated computer equipment. They're also going to give you up to $200 a month to pay your internet and cell phone bills. And again, they offer flexible schedule. It says work when you want to, as long as you have a reliable internet connection, and you can work a few overlapping hours that overlap with your managers, of course, so you can work with your manager. But other than that, you can work where and when you want to. Please note that if you go through the interview process and you're selected as a final candidate for this position, you will have to undergo a background check. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.